Show me
The
what's
problem
going on.
area is here. These area. This even if I touch this,
Yeah.
I get a pain here.
Yes.
Get the pain here. This area right.
How long's it been going on?
This is about 1.5 years now.
1.5 years,
Yes.
yeah? And it affects you when running? Or?
It was after every run, I used to get a lot of pain. I used to do like 15 kilometers run. Not immediately after the run, but maybe the next day. And then it kept on going, and I thought it's nothing. It's just maybe the shoes or something. I changed the shoes, all that. But now, last 5 months back, I couldn't even get up from the bed.
Wow. And it was going down your leg, you said?
It was terrible. It goes all the way down to the leg, and then after the yoga and some stretching and all, it slowly started improving. But I left exercises, running, everything for 5 months. Yeah.
Okay. Well, we made our first correction
Yeah.
yesterday. And how's your body after that? You made
I
some
feel
change?
lighter. I feel I'm able to walk a little bit better. My posture has got a little corrected.
Okay.
Yeah, otherwise, I'm limping on each side like that. Yeah.
Well,
I'm trying to lift my leg
yes.
so that I don't put a jerk on this side.
and we were only together a couple of, it didn't take long, a couple of minutes, but how do you felt your body responded positively to that?
Not immediately, but today it was much better. Since morning, after I got up in the morning,
Yes.
and I felt quite lighter today.
Okay, well, how much better? How much percent would you say?
I would say 20-25% better.
Okay,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
Positive sign. Positive sign.
Yeah.
You'll be fine. And I know you're traveling, you're overseas as well, so, there are some challenges.
Yes.
But we want to try and do the best we can in this short amount of
I
time.
want to be able to walk, do my activities better, and I'm into HIIT and exercises and keeping fit.
Yes.
So I want to get back to my routine. Yeah.
Yes. God willing, we'll get it there. Yeah, excellent. Good.